Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, my name is Miss Sadaf Javed and I am here to present the lecture of class 5 English grammar. In our last video, we read the chapter Unit 1 King of the Birds. In this chapter, there is an exercise of verb. So before doing the exercise, we should learn what is a verb. Okay. Before learning verb, do you know what is a noun? We are all familiar with the word noun. What is a noun? It is a part of speech which means noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Person, here is the person, a doctor. The place is in school and thing is crayons. What action does a doctor do? A doctor treats sick people. It helps others. These are the action of a doctor. What action can we see in a school? A teaching process, learning process. Think, crayon. What action can we do with the crayon? We can color or we can shade. So here you can see every noun has its own action. So what action does a noun do? That actions are called verbs. Here is the definition of verb. A verb is an action or doing verb or an action which a noun does is called a verb. For example, run, jumped, sleeping, etc. Verbs are the action words. Any action which we do in our daily life, all the time we are in action. All the universe is in action. It means that the action is called a verb. For example, the man is walking on the road. This is a form of verb in which ing is used. I went to the market. He ate his meal. Here you can see there are three different types of verbs which are used in these sentences. It means that verb can be used in different types. Now, what is a verb? Verb is used in tenses. Tenses is period of time. In tenses, we are known that when does the action occur? When does a verb or an action occur? Tenses tells us about the period of time, that whether the action was taken in the past, present or in the future. There are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense. Here we are going to study about present tense. What is present tense? The present tense, as the name recommends, is used for something that is happening or happens every day. It might be habitual or things which we are doing right now. For example, the boys are playing football. I go to school every day. This is habitual, which means it happens every day. Earth revolves around the sun. We know that earth revolves around the sun every day. This is called present tense. Then past tense. The past tense is used for something that has already happened. Something which has already done in the past is known as past tense. In past tense, second form of verb is used. We often add ed or d with the form of verb to make a past tense. Okay? For example, we went to college. This is the past tense of go. We go to college, or if it is done in the past, we will say we went to college. I watch movies. But if we say it is in the past, I have watched movies. So he watched movies. She steal mangoes. It would be present tense. But here she stole mangoes, something which was done in the past. She stole mangoes in the past. Okay. Now you have known about the present tense and past tense. There is a book exercise in your book. Unit 1 Grammar, book page number 6. Unit 1, the King of the Birds. Take out your books. You should have your pencil or pen with which you can write in the book. What you have to do in this exercise? Here is a list of verbs written in the present tense. Write the verb in past tense and use it in a sentence on book page number 6. Here present form of verb is pick. How are we going to convert into past? Ed, picked. Right, I chose a sentence. He picked an apple from the tree. You can write your own sentence. Howl. The past of howl is howled. The wolves howled at night. Howl means they make a noise at night. Like the dog barked. In that form, the wolves howl. Kick. The past of kick is kicked. He kicked the football. Walk. The past tense of walk is walked. She walked down the street to the market. Look. The past tense of look is looked. I looked into the mirror. Need. Needed. The man needed some money for the bag. Jump. The past tense of jump is jumped. The thief jumped out of the window. Crawl. Crawled. The baby crawled on the floor. So here did you get it? That we used ed with this form to make the past tense. It is a simple form of past tense, but there are other ways in which present tense can be converted into past tense. There are 3 forms of verb. Okay, exercise B on the same page. Match the verb to its correct past tense. Write sentences using the past tense on book page number 6. Here you are going to use matching. So you can see there are the jumble words. You have to first of all match these words. The past of stick is stuck. The past of sing is sang. The past of fall is fell. The past of come is came. The past of give is gave. The past of run is ran. The past of win is won. Shine, shone. Sit, sat. Okay, first word over here is gave. You have to make the sentence of gave. I gave a book to my sister. Simple sentence. Then sang. He sang a song on the stage. Ran. The dog ran on the street. Fell. The girl fell and hurt her knee. Won. Our team won the match. Or we can say it won. Sat. I sat on the chair. Shone. Shining means the stars shone brightly last night, because these are the past tense. So we have to use the sentence as a past tense. Came. He came to my home. Stuck. Something which is stuck. I stuck the date sheet on the cupboard. Stuck means stick with the glue or something else, or with the scotch tape. I stuck the date sheet on the cupboard. So here students, you know now what is verb. What are the 3 type of tenses? Past tense, present tense and future tense. But here we have to study about the present and past tense. And you have to make sentences with the past tense. So your homework is to learn definition of verb and also make sentences of your own. Okay? And please take care and stay healthy. Thank you.